What is up, guys? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the DLA-RS2000 from JVC. The retail version of this is the NX7. If you're looking to purchase either of these models, they actually compare right down the line in specifications. One's for retail and one's for professional use. As a professional installer, we're going to be using and unboxing today the DLA-RS2000. This is an ISF certified projector with an all-glass lens. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. I know you guys have been waiting for this. Now keep in mind, everything that we sell typically is brand new, direct from the manufacturer. Today, since we are doing an unboxing, these are going to be on sale. I'll only use them for a couple hours, but technically, since it is a used product, you guys can get a great price on these four projectors. I'm doing the RS1000, the RS2000, the Sony 295, and the Sony 695. All going to be on sale, and I can ship it to you for free. So let's get them unboxed. So in addition to the unboxing, guys, I'm also going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of the RS1000 and the RS2000. I'm going to do mix and match between the Sony's 295, 695. As far as I've seen, there's nothing like this online, and I've never seen it in any stores either here in Dallas. So make sure to check out that other video to help you make an informed buying decision. Just like the RS1000, we have a warranty card, which does include a 3-year parts and labor, as well as a 1 year on the lamp and a 1,000 hours, whichever comes first. Here's a warranty card. We are a JVC direct dealer. Everything purchased from us is fully covered by JVC's warranty. You got to be careful where you purchase this stuff, guys, because not all manufacturers, or not all resellers are going to be covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Which means that if this projector goes bad, you buy it from some random place off the internet, it may not be covered under warranty. We do stand behind our sales, and JVC does stand behind us. So, very well-built box and really thick shipping materials to keep the projector safe. I don't think we'll have any issues with shipping on this guy. At least to us, the box came perfect. Do get a projector that comes shipped from us damaged, we will 100% exchange that for you and make it right with a brand new unit. Alright, so let's take a look. This is a beast of a projector, guys. Definitely, you're getting into a new league of projectors with this. You're getting away from those cheap, shifty projectors like the Epsons, and you're getting into a more professional series projector. This does have an all-glass lens. It's ISF certified, has amazing contrast. I'm going to go over the specs a little bit later, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what this looks like. They made a slight design change on the projector this year. The housing's a little different from the previous versions. And here's the lens. It's fully motorized. No knobs or anything. Let me give you a close-up of what it looks like. This is an IR sensor. Air vents. I got some big old fans in there. Okay. So that's the front side. Let me show you guys the back side. Now this is pretty much the exact same as the 1000. It's got the 3D sync, HDMI 1 and 2, RS232 service, LAN, trigger, and then hard buttons, IR sensor, has the vent, and the power. Alright, so let me flip it around. Top. So these JVCs have a really wide bolt pattern. Unlike a lot of projectors, I like to use the strong fine adjust large projector mount. It's nice because it fits these projectors well, but also I like it because it has micro adjustment. Instead of just a tension based mount like some of these cheap ones you'll find online where you use a screwdriver, it actually has gears inside of the top box so that it doesn't move based on like if a door slams or, you know, kids jumping on the floor. It'll keep it firmly planted in your correct alignment position. I'll show you the top here. These feet just unscrew. Alright guys, well this is just a quick unboxing and overview of the DLA-RS2000 or the NX7. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. I'm also going to be doing a side-by-side shootout after this of the RS1000, RS2000, the Sony 295 and 695. So make sure to subscribe to us and check that video out as well. It'll help you make a buying decision because there's a lot of really nice projectors that are out already in 2019. I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. Make sure to give us a call or shoot us an email if you'd like to purchase. If you live in Dallas, we can do the installation for you. And if you live nationwide, anywhere in the US, we have free shipping and a low price guarantee. Give us a call, shoot us a text, thumbs up, subscribe. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.